In a coastal village where fishing boats bobbed under starry skies, there lived a lantern maker named Kale. His lanterns lit the homes and paths of the village, their soft glow guiding fishermen safely back from the sea. Kyle was proud of his craft but faced a problem. His lanterns burned too quickly, their oil running dry before dawn. The villagers grumbled, saying, "Kale's lanterns are pretty but useless. Why can't he make them last?" His daughter, Lila, urged him to buy better oil, but it was costly, and Kale's earnings were meager. One evening, a storm stranded several fishermen at sea, their boats lost in the dark because Kale's lanterns had flickered out. The village blamed him, and Kale felt ashamed. Determined to fix his craft, he stayed up nights experimenting. He tried thicker wicks and larger oil holders, but nothing worked. One night, an old sailor visited and saw Kale's frustration. "Your lanterns are weak because you fight the problem alone," the sailor said. "Let me tell you about a lighthouse keeper I knew." The sailor shared a story of a keeper whose lighthouse beam was too dim to guide ships. Instead of giving up, the keeper polished every glass pane and angled mirrors to amplify the light. His beam shone brighter without needing more oil. Inspired, Kale realized his lanterns didn't need more oil, they needed better design. He began crafting lanterns with polished glass and curved reflectors, focusing the flame's light. He also carved tiny vents to let the flame breathe without wasting oil. When Kyle lit his new lanterns, they glowed brighter and lasted through the night. The fishermen tested them at sea, and not one boat was lost. The village celebrated Kale, and orders poured in from neighboring towns. Lila, beaming with pride, asked, "How did you solve it?" Kyle replied, "I stopped blaming the oil and learned to make the light stronger. Sometimes the answer lies in working smarter, not harder." Kyle's lanterns became legendary, and he taught Lila to improve their designs further. The sailor, seeing the village aglow, smiled and said, "You've lit more than paths. You've lit hope." Moral: work smarter to make your efforts shine brighter.